Every time that you rebuild a cylinder, you need to hone it out with one of these little hones. Now if you look in there, you'll see some shiny stuff. Okay? There's a little bit of rust, but that's no problem. Steel sleeve, it's no big deal. But you'll see some shiny areas in here, and what that shiny area is we call it glazing. Glazing is where the steel is worn smooth, and it needs to be cross-hatched with a new sandpaper or something like that. And what we do is we take the hone, and the hone can be, as you turn this down this way, these prongs stick out farther and farther and give you a more definite cut. We'll keep them on average. Then what you want to do is you want to have your hone set in part of the way. And what I'd like to do is take my engine, and I like to put it in these cat litter tubs, because I got a few cats, and these are tubs I used to use when they were babies. But they work really well for either cleaning or doing whatever else you have to do to where you're not going to get liquids all over the place. The hones will not work without a lubricant. And I use WD-40. You can use anything you really want to use. But our goal is to hook the drill up to the hone right here. And the hone it's got a little spring right here. You can go either way. I mean, you can bend it like Beckham. Never seen that movie, but I guess he used to be a really good player. I like that other striker, that bald guy. I forget his name. Anyway, Wayne Rooney. Yeah, I like watching his highlights. Don't know how the game is played, but it's kind of interesting. So what I do is I get the hone set where I want it, as far as tension going out this way. Then what I do is I attach the drill to it, and what we're trying to do is to go up and down very lightly. You don't want to keep it in one place, and you don't want to let this come out too far, like that far, because what will happen is you go spinning that around and you'll break the edges, or you'll break the stones, which is not good. While I'm doing that, I give it some WD-40, and what I'm trying to do is break up the glazing so that when the new rings, and these are the new rings right here, the new rings, and see, you can't see them that well against my hand, and I know that right now. So what I'm going to do is put it on a better surface, and then I'll take my book and I'll stick it right underneath the light, because YouTube is a visual medium. These rings are hard chromed all the way around them. On the outside, you can see the chrome. In order for the piston to properly seat in the cylinder, we need to have a cross-hatch pattern and get the glazing off. And then we need to run our rings for about 600 miles. That is my break-in. Now you think 600 miles, that's a lot. I don't know how many kilometers that is, but it's not that much. And if you properly break in the engine, and see, you can't see the ring that well. See that? But if I go like this and put it right here, you can see it a lot better. And that's all part of the YouTube deal, is have your background, and do not have your hand in the video all the time, because after a while it does get annoying, even though you may not know why. You're going, this is fucking annoying, I'm going to turn the thing off. Fuck it! Okay. Now in 600 miles, what will happen is the outside chrome will slowly wear into the virgin cylinder right here, and what it will do is the cylinder will wear a little bit, the ring will wear a little bit, and it creates a better seal. A better seal means better compression, less leakage, more power. That's why we do it this way. If you want, oops, and here's all the rings. Those are the new rings right there. This is an old ring, I believe. I think it's an old ring. These hones can be had at any auto parts store. They're up to, this one goes up to about 2 inches wide. It'll say on the package about that wide. This other one goes up to about 3 inches. But you want to use, for a 50cc application, you want to use one like this. And I'll slowly go back and forth with the drill. And I'll see if I can show you that. I may be, yeah, I think I can. I'll put it underneath the lights and we'll do it.